Welcome back to Learn English with us. Hi, Steve. How are you today?
Hi, Maya. I'm great, thank you. Today we're going to travel because this lesson is all about English at the hotel.
Perfect. Every time I travel, I need to check in somewhere, and sometimes I don't know the right words.
Don't worry. After this lesson, you'll be ready to book a room, check in, ask questions, and even check out like a pro.
Sounds amazing. Let's start.
When you arrive at a hotel, the receptionist will greet you and ask how they can help. You can hear, "Good afternoon. How can I help you? Do you have a reservation?" Repeat after me.
Good afternoon. I'd like to book a room, please.
Perfect. You can also say, "I have a reservation under the name of Maya Lopez."
Got it. And if I don't have one,
Then you can say, "I'd like to book a room for 2 nights." Or, "Do you have any rooms available?"
okay, that's really useful.
Let's do a quick dialogue. Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please.
Of course. Would you like a single or a double room?
A double room, please.
Certainly, that'll be $100 per night.
That's fine. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. May I have your passport, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Now let's learn to check in. Once you arrive, the receptionist will ask for your information. Here are some common phrases. Can I have your ID or passport, please? Here's your room key. Your room number is 203. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. The elevator is on the right. Repeat after me.
Can I have my key, please? What time is breakfast? Where's the elevator?
Perfect. Let's make a small scene. Good evening. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation under Maya Lopez.
Yes, I see it here. You have a double room for 2 nights.
That's correct.
Can I have your passport, please?
Sure.
Thank you. Here's your key. Room 203. Second floor. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy your stay. Once you're in the hotel, you might need to ask for something. Here are some useful questions. What's the Wi-Fi password? Is breakfast included? Can I have extra towels? The air conditioner isn't working. Can you send someone to fix it? Can I have a late checkout? Repeat after me.
What's the Wi Fi password? Can I have extra towels? Can you help me, please?
Excellent. Let's try them in context.
Hello, reception. The air conditioner isn't working.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'll send someone to fix it right away.
Thank you. And what's the Wi Fi password, please?
It's Hotel 123.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else?
That's all.
Have a great stay. When it's time to leave, you'll check out. Here are the key phrases. I'd like to check out, please. Did you enjoy your stay? Yes, thank you. It was great. Can I leave my bags here for a few hours? Sure, no problem. Repeat after me.
I'd like to check out, please. Can I leave my bags here?
Perfect. Let's practice that. Good morning. How was your stay?
It was great. Thank you. I'd like to check out, please.
Of course. Here's your bill.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, no problem.
Thank you. Can I leave my luggage here for a few hours?
Sure, you can leave it at the front desk.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip. Let's do a quick quiz, Maya. I'll say a situation, and you tell me what to say. You want to book a room for tonight.
I'd like to book a room for one night, please.
Excellent. You want more towels.
Can I have extra towels, please?
Perfect. You're leaving the hotel.
I'd like to check out, please.
Great job. Now let's do the complete conversation from start to finish. Good evening. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under Maya Lopez.
Yes, I found it. A double room for 2 nights.
That's right.
Can I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. And here's your room key. Room 305, third floor.
Perfect. Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is.
Great. And what's the Wi Fi password?
It's Sunrise 2025.
Got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Of course. Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, it was wonderful.
That's great to hear. Here's your bill.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, no problem.
Thank you. Can I leave my bags here for a few hours?
Sure. You can leave them at the front desk.
Perfect. Thanks again.
Have a safe trip. Let's review the key expressions from today. Hotel phrases. I'd like to book a room, please. Do you have a reservation? Can I have my key? What's the Wi-Fi password? Can I have extra towels? I'd like to check out, please.
Now I can survive in any hotel around the world.
Not just survive. Communicate with confidence.
That's true.
Your challenge for today: imagine you're checking into a hotel. Record yourself doing the dialogue. from check in to check out.
That sounds fun.
Perfect. If you liked this lesson, like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, practice makes your English real.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.